What's good, YouTube? Andre Reyes back with another video, and this is my first milestone of 12, my 1 month update of my FUE hair transplant in Istanbul, Turkey. The clinic I chose was Alsi Tarcan. As usual, I just want to thank everyone for like, comment, and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and watching my old videos where I break down step by step the process of getting a hair transplant at Alsi Tarcan and my progress to this point. Before I show you guys my hair, there's just a few questions I get asked. The first question is what supplements I'm on. I'm on biotin, multivitamin, fish oil. I'm not on minoxidil. I'm not on finasteride. Another thing that I incorporated, my donor area has been itching so bad. I started using coconut oil. After the shower, I just applied on the back of my head. Another question I get asked is about my diet. The clinic suggests you don't eat super spicy or super salty foods after you get your hair transplant. Me, I was eating whatever I wanted. Whether that's good or bad, or whether it affected my hair transplant at all, I guess we'll find out. I'm a kind of person, if I'm in the gym, I'm eating healthy. If I'm out of the gym, like I was for those 3.5 weeks, I'm not dieting, bro. The next question is showering. After the 3 weeks, I stopped filling up the cup and pouring it over my head. I just started getting in the shower, but 15 minutes before, I would put the foam on that you're supposed to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I would get in and just shower regularly. But when it comes to my hair, I would turn down the water pressure and shower that way. Maybe I'm just being overly cautious, but I'd rather do that than, possibly damage some grafts. So with that, I'm gonna show you guys my hair. I look terrible, man. That's just honest. I guess the biggest difference is my donor area is filling in. I am black and white, so my hair is thin, but when it grows out, it gets thick into more of an afro curly type. As far as my native hairs, they're growing longer in the recipient area and I'm shedding more, so I just look bad. That's just what it is. I mean, I wish I could fast forward to that 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 month mark, but this is a part of the process. So again, I just want to thank everyone for like, comment, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and supporting the channel. And if you're on your hair transplant journey, good luck. And I'll see you guys at my 1.5 month mark.